cultural and intellectual curiosity, amiability, rigor, and self-consciousness. Various professional opportunities are available for our graduates. They can hold several positions in different hospitality branches. We refer to a wide range of careers from general to specific jobs, such as revenue management, e-distribution management, meetings, incentives, conferences and exhibitions, tourism consultancy, and so on. This program is also open for actual and potential entrepreneurs in tourism and related fields. Resistance to stress in an exigent surrounding and ability to solve emergencies. Team spirits due to our capstone projects, globe-trottering lifestyle, self-confidence and tolerance vis-à-vis your guests. French know-how according to the professional expectations, aligned to the international standards, and also the French expertise that distinguishes our country. Resilience particularity because we adapt the program to the actual and potential challenges in terms of the digital transition and also the diversity, equity, inclusion, and belonging concerns. Complete courses that will help you to discover various hospitality branches such as café, hotel, restaurant, tour operating, real estates, and the list is not exhaustive. The ladder opens for you a wide range of career opportunities both in France and worldwide thanks to our loyal experts. The Master of Science Hospitality Management and Marketing offers for you a unique experience in the heart of the world's leading tourist destination. This program targets extrovert professionals who will take over the uncertain challenges of the tourism industry and related sectors. Our ad hoc courses are adapted to the hospitality requirements such as tourism sciences and humanities, hospitality operations management, gastronomie et art culinaire, revenue management.